Now here the question is, we need to prove n to the power 7 upon 7 plus n to the power 5 upon 5 plus 2n cube upon 3 minus n upon 105 is an integer for every positive integer n. So we'll prove this result using mathematical induction. So the first step is we need to prove P1 is true. So if we'll take n as 1, we'll write 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 105. So here will be 105 15 plus 21 plus 35 into 2 and then minus 1. So there'll be 70 plus 20, 90 plus 15, 105. So it will be 105 divided by 105, which is 1, which is an integer. So that means P1 is true. Now the second step is we let Pk be true. So let Pk be true. So that means k to the power 7 upon 7 plus k to the power 5 upon 5 plus 2 k cube upon 3 minus k upon 105, and it is an integer. Now using this result, we need to prove that Pk plus 1 is true. Now for Pk plus 1, we'll write this expression as 1 plus k to the power 7 upon 7 plus 1 plus k to the power 5 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 1 plus k to the power 3 minus k plus 1 upon 105. Now we can write this expansion as 1 plus, this is 7c1 into k, 7c2 into k square, and 7c7 into k to the power 7 whole divided by 7 plus, now this is 1 plus 5c1 into k, 5c2 into k square plus 5c5 into k to the power 5 whole divided by 5 plus 2 by 3, and this is 3c0, which is 1, plus 3c1 into k, 3c2 into k square, 3c3 into k cube, and then minus k plus 1 upon 105. Now in each of the expressions is 7c1, 7c2 and up to 7c6. They are all divisible by 7. So it will be an integer. In the same way, for this one 5c1 up to 5c4, they'll be divisible by 5. And the same way 3c1 and 3c2, they'll also be divisible by 3. So that means all these three expressions, they are integers. So that means we'll get some integer, say m, and then plus, what I'm left with is 1 plus k to the power 7 upon 7 plus 1 plus k to the power 5 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3, 1 plus k cube, and then minus k plus 1 upon 105. So we can write it as m, and then this 1 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5, it is nothing but P1, and then plus, now k to the power 7 upon 7 plus k to the power 5 upon 5 and minus k upon 105, it is Pk. Now we know P1, it is an integer, Pk is also an integer, and this result is also an integer. So that means Pk plus 1 is also an integer. So P1 is true. And if we'll assume Pk be true, then Pk plus 1 is also true. Then from principle of mathematical induction, we can say that this expression n to the power 7 upon 7 plus n to the power 5 upon 5 plus 2n cube upon 3 minus n upon 105 will be an integer for every positive integer n.